Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Honor Magic V6. First, what are we going to do is we're going to clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So, the microphone port is right at the bottom here. It's basically over the case here. You can also count these. And now you want to clean it with a non-metallic tool. This is very important because you want to make sure that microphone is not stuck with dirt and etc. What are we going to do next is we're going to go over and open the recorder app. Here we want to start recording, and as you guys can see, once I stop talking, the line just goes straight. So that means we can also use transcribe, but you have to be logged in. Here we want to start recording. So that's how we know that it works. If it's still not working for you, what you guys want to do is make sure that you update your software to fix any mic glitches. So open up settings. Now you need to scroll down and go to system and updates. Here go to software update and make sure that you're on the latest version. So it will check for a couple of seconds. Now I'm up to date, but if you're not, then you will have a button at the bottom. Instead of for check for updates, you will have download and install the latest version. And after you download and install the latest version, if there are still some issues with your microphone, what you guys want to do is go over and hit reset phone, and you will basically factory reset your device. So, of course, this is a final resort, but that's it for the video. So, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.